Hello guys, Suraj here, and today I'm going to show you about this tool called AMPY. It's a simple command line tool. What it does is you can download files. It interacts with your Node MCU board with the MicroPython firmware, and it downloads file from the microcontroller into your system. You can also put a new file into the microcontroller. You can also remove files from the microcontroller. So yeah, let's get started. First, you have to go to this page, and I'll provide the link in the description. Go to this page, and you have to copy this command pip install adafruit ampy. Copy this command and paste it in your command prompt and run this command. So I have already installed this, so the requirement is already satisfied. Now you have to pair this tool with the microcontroller. For that, you have to type this following command: set ampy port underscore port equals com4 minus com4. Yours might be different. To check your com port, go to device manager and check it under ports, and yeah. Now type click on enter. Yeah, now it's paired. Now to list the files in your microcontroller, you have to type this following command: ampy ls. Now these are the files in my microcontroller. Now I'm going to remove the all the files except boot.py. And this boot.py, it's a very important file in MicroPython. What it does is whenever the board, when it starts up or when it resets, this the code in the boot.py gets executed always. So whatever code you put inside this boot.py, it executes when it resets. Okay, now let me delete this file.py and file.txt. To delete files, you have to simply type ampy rm file.py. That's it. Now let me list it again. Ampy ls. Now you can see that my file.py is deleted. Now let me delete the file.txt. Simply txt. Yeah. Yeah. Now both the files are deleted. Let me check it again. Ampy ls. Yeah, it's deleted. The boot.py, only the boot.py exists. Now I'm going to show you a small program where I'll write a message to a txt file, and I'll store it inside the MicroPython. So to write the program, let me go to the IDE. If you want to if you keep your command prompt open, you can't access the IDE because the Node MCU is paired with the AMPY file tool. To disconnect this connection, you have to close the command prompt before going into the IDE. So close it and go to your IDE. Craft. Okay, let me create a new file. Yeah. Now I'm going to create a small program wherein I'm going to I'm going to give a message to a txt file, and I'm going to store it in the MicroPython. So first, let me create a small function def main. Now inside this, I'm going to type a variable f, which will be equal to I'm opening a file, so it is open. The file name is file.txt. You can name it as you wish. File.txt, close quotes. And the mode which I'm going to do right now is I'm going to write. So to write something to the file.txt, I have to type w. If you want to read, you can write r. You can type r. Yeah. Now what I'm going to the message which I'm going to write is f dot write hi. This is a test. This is a test. Okay. This is a message which I'm going to give to the file.txt, and I'm going to close the file. If you don't close the file won't be saved. So please close the file. For closing the file, you have to type this command f.close. Yeah, simple, very simple program. Now I'm going to call the function main. Yeah. Now let me save it. File.py. Yes. Okay. Now let me upload it to the microcontroller. Okay. Serial port com4. Yeah. Okay, there's an error. Okay, it's close. Sorry. CLOC. Close. Okay. You upload it now. Yeah, it's successfully uploaded. Now I'll close this IDE and go to the command prompt. Open your command prompt now. Before this, I'll create a new directory in my desktop. I have created a new directory file. Uh, so this is empty right now. Now let me go to my command prompt and I'm going to navigate to this file right here. To do that, just do cd desktop. Now again cd file. Okay, it's cd files. Sorry, so cd files. Okay, now I am to that folder. Now again I have to pair the AMPY with the microcontroller. Again I have to type the following command. I think I have it here. Okay, sorry. Set AMPY port equals com4. Now I list the files once again. AMPY ls. Yeah, now you can see it. I have that file.py and file.txt again. In the beginning of the video I've deleted those files. Now I have uploaded again, so it shows the files again. Now to download the file from the microcontroller into your system, you have to type this following command. It is ampy tac port equal port com4 get. Okay, it's get. So the file you want, that is file.txt, and I can rename the file when it comes to my desktop. So I'm getting the file.txt from my microcontroller into my system as a message.txt. Okay, let me press enter. Yeah, now it's done. Let me go to my directory. Go to my directory. It was empty. Now I have a message. Yeah, see, I have a message document. Sorry, message text document. Let me click on it. Yeah, see, you can see that I have a new message. Hi, this is the test. This is wonderful, right? This is a very this AMPY tool is very useful in interacting with your microcontroller. So yeah, that's it for this video. Uh, if you like this content, please give a like and share this video and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.